They think the girl really saying I want them. Cause to make him must say the girl brain in a stable condition because the girl like she confused. Now when they ask her name, she been a repeat her name like 3, 4, 5, 6 times like in a stable condition. So she has said she don't know what the girl right if any or whatever. But she don't think her mind stable.
So what more I know? The way name there, what is something name? What the mother them go through after birth?
When they call it postpartum depression.
Yeah, it can be that bad.
I mean, I know me have to go ask somebody, you know, because
it can be that because that sound like what you tell me.
It's bad, you know, you see, too much she sick, but you know, she have to wear pampers, you know, her organs them swelling her, you know.
Then yeah, man, I saw my
the people in the chat can't say that bad, but in a film, they tell you in my perspective. But I wonder if then remember say sometime, you know, me I work a training doctor, then I wonder if they cut and cut something properly, or me I wonder if she won't catch infection. Remember then a young people let me know. They say not get C-section, I think me have to take care of properly, you know. Right. I remember say just him alone live and the man don't really know nothing like that. And probably me don't know if he can me just say that because I don't want to believe in what they must say. So me I think so. Or me I think say probably why they cut nothing bad like remember when Spice when get the sepsis and when they make the surgery and when get it bad and and Spice organ as well too. I just them something with them I think. Me just don't want to think on the bad side like what people think. So me don't want you know about no hobby, I don't want to think that.
Exactly, cause I mean who for over the girl for?
And that no one know they don't have money. Them barely have money to keep right now in a sickness. Remember them people that listen to but them people don't come up on a regular. The people must come on 1 and 2 local time, cook them food, and people show local gift. Show your TikTok and world where must think say, and everybody make money for you. And everybody make money for you, I know, because I make money for you, know. More if become a manager, make 1, 2, 50, I want 3 because my business and me satisfied. But kill them dead. Remember TikTok I take half of the gift them. So if you don't send me one wheel, and the wheel have $100. Right now more than half TikTok I take. One time one lion was 150. No one lion at 140. And people like how we just come, because me only come a morning time and go about my business, you know. They say me make a 150 or 2 bills, me go my business satisfied. But just check it, say, all right then, Dyema, if I make 2 bills a day for weeks, that change that to me. But to everybody we talk about who they on TikTok rich, and probably to the little people them go buy one little vehicle. And when I look up and I saw them come here through, man, the people them there for our school years, friend. We never hear none of the people in closet. All when I saw the family member them run out. Or the boy take my chicken back pan for the girl, and the boy this and the boy that. The boy never did the chicken back pan argument, no, because I asked him about it yesterday, because you know I have to still ask all when I'm pressure. The man said, Dyema, that 4 years ago. But I saw the closet run out. All the 2 of them there, you know. We know they have to cuss, because we know no couple are perfect in our life, my friend. Nobody can perfect. Now, can we see them on the internet and they look like them perfect? We know they have to go through something. We don't eat that. And if a girl when that uncomfortable, like, oh, them attack, I know, oh, them run out and attack, I know. Why would she and her man live? They live by themselves, but I want to push it to them alone. But they know so they have family, God kill me. If this sickness never come in there, no one time when they wicked, you know. Come here when they wicked, they say the girl real mother dead, you know. And I step mother grow me, you know. When me go hospital yesterday, you the woman, you the granny. See real mother, yeah. And me birth him. She don't dead. Me say, what? I said, come me click me live. Come in there and go click no live. I said, come me click me live.
Yo, everybody port up. Get with the 10,000 likes I will turn on back in the comment section. Let's go. And what you say? So fam, so are the girl side of family a cause all of the problem?
That cause I know, yeah. When I saw out of the blues and the girl live with the man much years, we know you no problem.
Yeah, because we don't know of them, you know, mix up and them something.
No, but we know nobody not perfect. Cause as a couple, you have to cuss and fight. Not perfect couple anymore. But the people them literally keep them business private. So if the girl have that bad discomfort with the man, she wouldn't don't and breathe. Cause the girl want ear is true, man, the girl want ears like me. Soft as I see the girl look, she face it. Because you see to me, and the girl rule the man. We not ask Christ and no disciples. And you see with earrings and we rule boy.
Oh.
You understand me?
Well, like April.
I don't know if April she born, I'm mad, but I know she's an earrings. I know she rule away. I not ask you. Because you're being a ram. And even if they went there when they're young, and the girl put out a chicken back pan, and the man give my man take back the chicken back pan. Every boy, every girl take back boy. Because we're going to take back boy shoes. And the pants and shirt for them too. I know say, when that girl, when we take back the chicken back pan for Neisha, we know Neisha take back something. Because you see Neisha there, But I think Neisha said, me not ask you. And Neisha run things about at the house. Them, me not ask you, no.
Yeah.
I tell you, no. Can you see with earrings? No care how the man them bad and wicked. You could have live, you could have come from gun to you could have shown you could have police with earrings controlling bad.
Me could manage up one ears.
No. Come with the angle, you sir.
Cause me very stubborn and spoiled. So
I mean, can't go bother with that. And if you take back nothing for me, I take back for you too.
Oh no, man. Me not do. Cause listen,
no, you're not gonna do it. You know, I tell you how earrings like to equal up. I mean, know how we can rule Neisha. Quiet as I say Neisha, them not ask Christ. We not say how we are saved, you know. Cause we know how we are walk general side to him, we don't really know. But every man have a general side, every girl have a general side. But what me I say true man in Jamaica, yeah. No care our family member throw down and malice in a Jamaica, yeah. When death and sickness come, don't everybody combine together.
Exactly, and try to make it work. Me don't know how come this happen.
All the woman come out pan. One of the woman come out pan. True, man, the woman. Where all of the money we make on TikTok there? Where the money we make there? You don't talk about the money done. Some money then come out.
Lie.
Rich people there on TikTok. Rich people over here.
But remember, you know, who not there on TikTok, them don't understand how it works, you know.
Rich people over here.
I feel like when them see all the score on the stuff.
Them nice.
So, yo, but what if she are public, she are the right place still, even though, you see me, I think I don't just have the best doctor them still.
I'm sorry for the man. There's some of them talk about moving, God. Let me tell you something. I see private doctor. When you're sick, you don't make no sense to go a private doctor.
No, man, she could have public, man.
But you see a public, you say, if you go a UWI, what they want to call it, when UWI can't manage him, what UWI going to send him?
I send him back a public.
So you see a public, and if the John public want help, people towards surgery or whatever, them put towards it. Me can't bother be across as a condom. Then say Kitty, one girl over here, I collect money for them. And then they say Kitty come out and say, the people report the zeal and the money.
And the money do again?
Come on in a long frock, let me leave it.
Hold on there. What? Friend, you look good in a long frock though. You look good in a long frock.
Let me leave it.
Where's the money gone?
I said my friend, I want to leave it because I a drudgement. You see me tie and die long frock, you know. Anything you see me put a tie and die long frock, a drudgement. Them
everybody say up the screen.
Them say people report the zeal. And the money gone.
Why would somebody report the zeal? That no make no sense.
Listen, no, they love do that for true, cause that's when the big nose man when they are jail one of us so where you was abuse me.
Yeah.
One time I come by and I pick up the collection and I pick help. No, me really I pick up the collection when a few people when come say they give me two collection bail with the big nose boy. But I don't want to call his name, because I'm not independent, I think me they call his name. Right. You know the big nose boy one, the nose broke or something.
Yes, man.
That same brown one day. You see, I'm in the car, I'm when the arm. And then I report myself too. Then I report on my cash up and my cash up couldn't use again. But I get back the money still. Because what happened, the fraud department, they call me for Zelle.
Right.
They say funny, where they go on. And I tell them, say, I feel me Zelle and I explain to them or whatever. But I have to left from Jamaica do. Go foreign and go in at the bank or fix things and I get the money.
Right.
But me I say if they live a foreign and they report them a foreign then there. All Kitty have to do go on at the bank or fix things.
You don't want nobody talk about them a collect no more. You see if me a send a money or you me a give or somebody where they are them foot.
They go fix me. They will lock me out, you know, like black the account, you know. And then give me like, they will give me 28 days to come at the bank to come fix things. Because they tell them say me out of the country.
Right.
So they give me 28 days. So me, you know, me just hustle one ticket here so and me go over and me go in at the bank and then fix it. Then give me one brand new card and me didn't get my money.
Right.
So me don't know. All the time I know my money, but they will block you out of the account, you know. But if you got the bank, things will fix.
Me can't.
I don't want to go in the tour, you know, for my boss.
Yeah, I can't believe what you tell me to blow that girl.
I don't want the problem.
Something not right, man. Something not going on, I don't know about.
But me don't know why Kitty take up this panning head so far. Why Kitty take up this? Then we not have account. Them are going to say, we not have no account. We over here so far. Listen. We over here for Wapia. Listen to me. We over here for Wapia kill Pila. Come back and kill Wapi true, man. You see anybody who used to collect their money, he must still can't do it that way. That's why problem. And then people go talk about they say PayPal only $400 a day. So I can't take the crowd for me, you know. Zoom.
But the money look so man.
Anyway, listen up. They must say PayPal say $400 a day. PayPal no do $400 a day. A TikTok do that. PayPal no business how much money want to pay PayPal. A TikTok do that. TikTok limit. Look on my comment section. Oh, look on my comment section. Miss P, let it go. Miss P, let it go. Me like when people talk. Let it go, Miss P. Let it go.
So Dyema, what go on?
Interact with the comment section, Miss P. Me like when time people might talk to me.
Dyema.
Eh?
How go on?
Come here, no Zuma. Me fractal. How we are there yesterday? Me up a public. How we not see you? Are you going like...
Listen on. Who are there public and my people in?
Oh.
Bro, me I never see me come public. You be like batty man, you be go suck your mother. You be can public when I come public.
Then you waste me that public with pilers. What pilers have to do with public?
Bro, me now come to public, me now mix them
to everybody.
Come here and him not talk either, Zuma.
Listen to me now, Dyema. You hear me I say now, Dyema. 7 brothers, 7 different man, 7 sisters, 7 different blood clots.
Zuma, me man not talk, me go there go see the man. I go there go see and I'm no.
But Zuma, for me like you. Zuma, for me like you, I go there with the team. Zuma, for me like you, I go there with my team because...
Poor.
Because we are support. So just go on up the same way.
You're poor, actually, you're right there, so.
Dyema, no matter with that for people screaming because me and say Zuma Ray now.
Let me tell you, big nose man. Right or right, wrong or wrong. Let me tell you something, I want to hear that. Because I don't know me.
Listen to me. Every morning I say a prayer over yourself on my life. Oh, and Neisha. I then trust you some people. Oh, and Neisha.
Don't want to come over trouble from the platform. I feel me, yes, so. And you come boy, and me talk dirty, man. Me and my friend. When me go there and see him, listen to man. When me go there, me talk to Zoom and over trouble, yes, so. Oh, you know, over trouble, yes, so. Oh, me talk. True, me, yes, I go there and see the man me frightened to come. Me and no friend. You say me go there, me go see him, listen. Me go there, go see him, cause Orlando. Cooley, Raja, Owie. Me just go there, me say, Cooley warm, Orlando warm, cause warm. And me go about my business, that nothing to do with me. Me here and gone about my business.
So you hail everybody, whether
individually, I hail everybody and then I go about my business.
I never know say you and him even good neither.
Me and him never have nothing. Nothing me and him never have.
I'm not going to come and try over. Dyema, tell people to try over you.
Here.
Even want to try over my sister. Suck your mama.
Hold on. Zuma, you have any proof of that? Zuma, you have any proof of that?
Allegedly.
Okay.
No. You can't them sue me.
I'm
a businessman right now.
Talking.
Allegedly.
That is how you start talk, bro. Allegedly. You're not have to just them word there night. Allegedly.
Zuma, me I never really have nothing, you know. Him come, and to tell him saying wrong. Him start go on the most way and go on the most way. I want to go like him can bring down and go on the most way. So you know my mouth pasty. Me tell him my mind and whatever. Him go feel ways. Let me tell you how me stay. You say me argue with people, me argue and done. Me not have up nobody me heart as me go sleep and now wake up my friend. Me not business with the man. Me go there, me hear me go about my business. You over public big. The man about him business power railing by himself in a pyjama. How we about we business by himself? So me don't know what that ugly mug you tell me say.
Dyema, you didn't ask me how my days they go. Dyema no say, listen to me. Let me tell you.
After you go a treat over me try from beer. After you drink a bag juice, you're supposed to alright. When you drink a bag juice, you're happy alright.
Dyema, listen to me, Dyema. Listen to what I'm say to you, Dyema.
Left it public. Come here.
Yeah, left it. Because
come here. There's a kitty collect up some money yesterday. Them say kitty people, they say kitty, why up our money? And them say, I saw the kitty bag locked down with the money.
She just tell me.
Well,
What me no wall? If you go over the internet and tell me they tell you they scream, what me no wall? The people them say the money report as fraud. Me I tell the people them say when they collect for it. You remember the man when you me out? The big one. Really? The better call no name.
Oh sorry. After my mom boss no. Yeah.
No, remember you can't get no problem. Nobody call the people them name.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
No, nobody call no name. Zuma Bill no. Just the big ones, man. Yeah, we work.
Big ones.
How we do it now? Let's work with that.
Talk to me.
When the man when they are jail, you know, the people may give me one little collection one at the time, see me too. And then they do report me too. And the fraud company call me too. But they may give me 28 days to come fix it at the bank. I may go fix it, I may get back the little trail, me don't know how to Kitty do.
Apparently, Kitty tell me say she make $2,000. That's why me and she from my life. Me
Yeah,
and chat talk.
2,000.
She said she make $2,000. I want
Yeah.
girl when you remember the girl name what you say.
They
Report
report
it
them.
say it's fraud.
Listen, they go report if it's true or true, man. Cause then do that, I make them take my cash up. They report my cash up and cash up.
But me not like, if somebody report it, them not do the investigation first before them blacky people them something.
Fraud
Them do-
call you. If more than one somebody a report it, the fraud department go contact if a Zelle they use. Remember Zelle, listen. You see Zelle have nothing to do with your bank, you know. Zelle is a different place from your bank.
Mm-hmm.
So you see the fraud department, your bank not have nothing to do with Zelle, you know. Totally different for